What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today I am going over this pop-up drainage. Got this from Amazon. Link will be in the description. Got matte black. It's a pretty big top. This is to catch your rings, catch whatever falls down to the drain. Got the washer right there, so when you pop it in, no water should go down. This one is not for the overflow, because the sink that I got is a non-overflow sink. So we turn this off. That spins and come off. This part comes off. And then we put this part inside of the drainage. And then when we put it inside of the sink hole, we close it up. But I gotta double check and make sure that it fits. Okay, you guys, so basically this thing works, it fits. I already have this sink. This sink, I got it from Lowe's. So basically, just went over the measurements right there and it fits right there in the basic sink. So yeah, there was no problem with that. And right here, I'm showing y'all me putting the pop-up drain right there on the inside. All right. I was just making sure. That's why I got this basic sink. All right, you guys. So here goes the pop-up drain. So, we put it in, install it like how you usually install a pop-up drain. Didn't have a chance to show y'all the install, but this is a little bit bigger than the ones I got upstairs. Of course, y'all seen it already, but I didn't show y'all the ones upstairs. But maybe I should show y'all that or review that product also. But this is the one. The head on here is a little bit bigger than the ones I have upstairs, but it works. It's cool. Drains down and right there, we have no problems with the water staying in. All right. And there you go. Love these things. All right, you guys, so that's the end of this review. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, let me know. I think I posted up all the measurements and everything. This vanity is from Lowe's. It's the cheap model vanity. I will go ahead and post it. But yeah, it fits in very nice. And that's about it. Like, comment, and subscribe.